The other day, we got a call from someone who's in the hospital after they've been in a trucking wreck. And they asked how long it's gonna take for their case to be resolved. And unfortunately, early on, there isn't a crystal clear answer. The first step is you have to complete your medical treatment or get to a point in your medical treatment where everyone knows the extent of your injuries. Because once that is known, only then can we submit a demand to the insurance company asking for fair and just compensation for your injuries. If we ask before, then we don't know what the extent of your injuries are. And they could be worse than we thought. And if they're worse, then you won't be fairly compensated. After the demand is submitted, the insurance company has a deadline when they have to respond. If they respond with something that we can negotiate, something we can work with, then we negotiate and we try to resolve your case then. Unfortunately, most of the time, that doesn't happen. We have to file the lawsuit. If we can't negotiate, we file the lawsuit and we have to serve the defendants. Normally, serving the defendants isn't a problem, but occasionally, people run away from being served lawsuits. Once the defendant is served, they have 30 days to respond to the lawsuit. When they respond to the lawsuit, they're almost always represented by an attorney. And at that point, we work with that attorney to get a trial date. And at that time, there's an end in sight. So if for whatever reason, we're unable to negotiate a fair settlement, we know when we're going to trial. If you've been injured in a trucking wreck, please don't hesitate to give our office a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions.